Hi guys, welcome to CAT CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a two command is discuss here. First is lower and second is breeze. Two command is very important, play a role in create a sheet metal design and sheet metal design a electric machine design this command and all is all stamping command is very play a role in very important play a role. And guys, CATIA lecture 92 is discussed here. CATIA sheet metal 3D commands learn easily. Okay, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, two command is one by one is discussed here. And at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface and create a sketch. Okay, a sketch a center rectangle create here. Okay, center rectangle is a this and okay, this is a correct and at first click this set metal parameters is click here because unless we are not okay unless we are not click this set metal parameters command, then other command is not activated. Okay, at first click this set metal parameters, then all command is activated. And this is a default value is setting here, thickness is 2 millimeter and default bend radius 4 millimeter. Okay, and click a wall is a this is a create a wall. Okay, and all plane is hide. Okay, this all plane is hide. Okay, all command is active and two command is discussed here. First command is a lower and second is a breeze. Okay, and two command is a very important. At first draw a any rectangle, any draw a center rectangle. This is a center rectangle, you can see here. And okay, this is a okay exit and use a lower command. Okay, lower command, click here and lower definition dialog box is pop up. And at first select a profile is this and second is a opening line. Okay, any line select this line is a open, this line is select here and also this line is all select here. Okay, this is a click here opening line and preview is showing here. This is a perfect and click okay and double click here and arrow is upward and this is a correct. Okay, this is a nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a one side is open, other side is not open, and click here and height is increase. Okay, this is height is increase and also angle. Okay, radius is also increase and increase radius preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct and this is a okay, radius is also in this, height is also increase 9 and radius is also, and this is also increase here. Okay, this is a preview. Okay, this body is a increase, this is a and also body is a increase, this preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a nice looking here and this is a perfect okay draw a rectangular pattern is drawing here. This body select here and okay first direction and okay reference element this and direction is reverse and distance is also increase. Okay, this is okay, this is a correct. Instance is also increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, 3 instances nice. Okay, size is increase, distance is increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and also this is a click here, and second direction, and direction is this. Okay, this is a reverse direction, direction is reverse. Okay, okay, again select here, direction is reverse, this reference is this, direction is reverse, and click instance is increase. Okay, instance is only 3 and distance is increase. Okay, this is a correct. Instance is only 2, 2 is correct. Okay, correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, again again one command is a very important. This is a breeze. Okay, click here, and breeze is a, this command is click here. Okay, height, length and width. Okay, radius 1 and radius 2 is discussed here, and preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, double click here, and this angle is a, okay, this angle is, okay, this is a angle is a this, and preview is showing here. Okay, not, okay, this is a undo. Okay, okay, and this low breeze. Okay, this is a, okay, this is a, okay, breeze command is a, this is a, okay, preview is showing here. This is okay, and this command, this arrow is upward, and preview is showing here. Okay, and height is increase, and also length is increase. Okay, and width is also increase, and also radius 1 is increase, and radius 2 is also increase. Preview is showing here. This is a perfect. Okay, double click here, and height is also increase, and this is a, and this is a correct. Width is also increase, and radius, and okay, this preview is showing here. Okay, nice. Okay, so this is a rectangular pattern is this. First direction is a reference element, this, and this body is a, okay, this is a perfect. Preview is showing here. This also, okay, this preview, this command is a selected, direction is a 2, this perfect. Okay, this is a, and distance is, this is distance. Okay, okay, this is a increase, direction is increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Draw here. Okay, and instance is increase. This is a direction is also, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, preview is showing here. This is a nice. Okay, this is a nice. Draw here. Okay, okay, two command is very important. First command is a lower, this command is a lower, and this command is a breeze. Okay, and two command is very important, discuss here. and this command is very useful. Okay, this command is very useful. Create a electric electronics material sheet metal design, and this command is very useful and helpful. Okay, material is apply here. Okay, this is a this, and okay, double click here, and reflectivity is very high. Okay, at first drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this command is so nice looking. Apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a so nice. Increase and isometric is drawing a so good looking here, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, increase. Okay, this is a so nice drawing here, and okay, this is a perfect body, and zoom. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, two body is very important. Two command is very important. Command is discussed here. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and okay guys, thank you.